Imagine mounting a modern disk on your ceiling that upgrades your entire network to Wi-Fi 7. That's the UniFi U7 Pro Max, designed for demanding environments. It uses 3 bands, 2.4, 5 and 6 gigahertz, and 8 spatial streams to deliver fast, reliable performance. It covers about 160 square meters and can comfortably handle over 500 connected devices. It powers up via a single 2.5 gigabit Ethernet PoE plus port, tidy and efficient. Inside, there's a dedicated spectral scanning radio that constantly analyzes the environment to reduce interference and keep your wireless channels clean. In real-world use, this access point delivers solid Wi-Fi 7 performance, gigabit and multi-gigabit speeds across the 5 and 6 gigahertz bands. Some users even report coverage extending beyond specs when centrally placed, but it does have some limitations. There's no 10 gigabit uplink, so the maximum wired bandwidth caps at the 2.5 GBE connection, meaning the nodes aren't able to fully exploit the wireless potential. Also, advanced Wi-Fi 7 features like multi-link operation, MLO, and automated frequency coordination, AFC, aren't enabled out of the box. MLO may come via firmware updates, but AFC isn't expected for this model. Setup is straightforward if you're in the UniFi ecosystem. There's no local web interface. Management is handled through the UniFi app or controller thermal performance. Reviewers note the unit runs noticeably warm despite a built-in fan. Mounting it using the included metal bracket in a well-ventilated spot is wise to avoid discomfort or heat buildup. Community feedback highlights its range-optimized design,